Hello students, in this class we are going to learn how to find out the trigonometric identities sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 or cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta and all that. So for that let us draw this triangle ABC, right angle at say B, this is A and this is C. Now if you want to apply Pythagoras in this triangle by Pythagoras theorem, what you can do is you can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So with that we have seen AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Now what we are going to do is, once you can divide the whole equation by say AC square, there are three sides and three identities. To find out all the three identities, what you will do is once divide the whole equation by AC square, other time by the whole equation by AB square, and yet another time the whole equation by BC square. So in this case we are going to divide this equation by AC square. So if it is AC square upon AC square, that is equal to AB square upon AC square and plus BC square upon AC square. Now for angle C, perpendicular in the triangle ABC, right angle at B. See, perpendicular for an acute angle is the side right opposite to the acute angle we are referring to. Here we are referring to C. So the side opposite to angle C is AB. Therefore, for angle C, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. See, base is that side of a triangle on which the angle in question or the angle that we are referring to is made. This is undoubtedly angle C is made between BC and AC. But regarding AC, we don't have any doubt. AC is the side right opposite to the right angle of the triangle, and that undoubtedly is hypotenuse. So out of these two only we were to find out which one is perpendicular and which one is base. So the one that is in front of the angle in question, right in front of the angle in question, that is perpendicular, and the side on which the angle in question is made, that is base. So BC is base for this triangle, base, and hypotenuse is AC. Now if you see here, go to Pandit Badri Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad, har, bole, sona, chandi, tole. AC square upon AC square is 1, that is equal to AB upon AC. Look here, AB upon AC. This is undoubtedly AB upon AC, that is P upon H. P upon H is sine. So this will give us sine square theta. See, that is AB upon AC is P upon H, that is sine theta, but we have here AB square and AC square, so we have sine square theta. And another one is BC upon AC. So if you see BC upon AC, that is B upon H. So B upon H, from there you can see it is cos theta. But since it is the square of BC and square of AC, so we will write cos square theta. This is how we have found out the first trigonometric identity, that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now the next one, if you want to find out, what you do is, as I told, see, this time divided by AB square, and this also AB square. AB square upon AB square is 1 plus, and AC upon AB. You can see AC upon AB. This is undoubtedly H upon P. So P upon H is sine. So H upon P will be inverse of sine, and that is cosec. So here we will write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus, and this is BC upon AB. So BC upon AB, you can see it from here, BC upon AB, that is B upon P. P upon B is 10. P upon B is 10. So B upon P will be inverse of 10, that is cotangent. So this will become cot square theta. So cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square. This was second identity. Now for finding out third one, what you can do is divide it by BC square. Again BC square, and here also BC square. See, BC square upon BC square is 1. And here you see AB upon BC. So AB upon BC. AB upon BC is P upon B. So P upon B is 10. So this is 10 square theta. And this is AC upon BC. See, AC upon BC, H upon B. B upon H is cos. B upon H is cos, so H upon B will be inverse of cos, and that is sec. So this will be sec square theta. So all the three identities we have found out geometrically. And also what you could do is, once you got 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta, this is an alternative method. Divide the whole equation once by sine square theta, and also sine square theta, and here also sine square theta. Now sine square theta upon sine theta is equal to 1. This is 1. And cos square upon sine square is tan square theta. Sorry, cot square theta. It is cot square theta. And inverse of sine is cosec square theta. So this is alternate way of finding out cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Rather than dividing it by sine square, if we should have divided it by cos square theta, cos square theta, cos square theta, and cos square theta. So this should have become 1, and sine upon cos is undoubtedly tan square theta, and inverse of cos square, that is sec square theta. So this is another way of finding out the trigonometric identities. I believe it must be amply clear to your minds so as to how to go about finding identities of trigonometry.